too long. So here's that that rise, the right hand bend. Only 40 k's out. Surely there's the sea there. That could be quite fun. First glimpse of the sea. The river's got to be down over there. Can't see it. Oh. Riding at the beach. This is like the False Bay Coast Road. The sun's peeking out now. Still quite a cool temperature. I don't think I've seen one car. Maybe the message hasn't got through that the roads are passable, easily passable. Whoa. There's a danger sign. Whatever that means. Wind, maybe wind, bend. There's a car, see it in the distance. What landscape, man. Ambulance. Okay. Tap off a little bit. You saw the 30k mark to Aranyas. So tonight Alexander Bay, Wednesday, Tuesday, then Wednesday, Thursday, a farm called Spergebied, just outside of Springbok. Gonna go and stare at the stars, drink a little bit. Oh, I didn't say that. We'll see how that's gonna be quite awesome, I think. That's Wednesday, Thursday. Rainsdorp Friday. That was the place. It looks like it's on the river, but I've got a feeling it kind of isn't. I asked the guy for some pics. So that's kind of Friday. But I've got a place secure in Cape Town in Gordons Bay. Staying with a guy in his house, nice reasonable price. Booked right through, in fact, till the end of, well, booked till the end of April. I paid in the deposit. When I get there, I'll pay March, and then, of course, I can pay April. Kind of need to make sense. Well, I told him I'll probably arrive Sunday, Monday, but I guess if I arrive Saturday, there's a little bit of flexibility. But I could go one haul from Van Rainsdorp down. I could stay 2 nights in Van Rains. I could see if there's somewhere else pretty, maybe in the Cedarburg on the way down, maybe. Turn-off is probably the border post turn. See what they say. I think we'll see the ocean. Yeah, the motor working a bit. Still 3,500 rev, 90 k's an hour, trundling along. Atlantic, 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 yeah. Woohoo, look at that. I can't see the sea, but I mean, that's quite a gorgeous landscape, guys. And there's the river. Down to the left. Battery.